Almost 80% of Japanese car owners know secrets that keep their cars looking brand new for years. One of these secrets can actually make your paint shine like glass and, honestly, save you thousands in detailing bills. So, before you pay a detailer again, here are 15 powerful Japanese cleaning secrets your detailer hopes you never discover. Secret number 15. The two-bucket method. If you're still washing your car with one bucket, you're not really cleaning it, you're basically sanding it with dirt. Japanese detailers use the two-bucket method, one bucket with soapy water, one with clean rinse water. You wash a panel, rinse your mitt in the clean bucket, then dip back into the soap. This single change prevents swirl marks that can totally destroy your paint. Add a $5 grit guard in each bucket and you've got pro-level protection. Your paint will thank you for decades. Secret number 14. Newspaper windshield trick. Tired of streaks and haze on your glass? Just ditch the paper towels. Crumple old newspaper, spray glass cleaner, and wipe in circles. Then buff dry with a fresh sheet. The result is crystal clear, streak-free glass that honestly looks professionally polished. Newspaper's slight abrasion removes baked-on film from dashboards and road grime better than anything else, and it costs nothing. Secret number 13. Coca-Cola rust remover. Spotted early rust on your bumper or wheel wells? Pour regular Coca-Cola on the rust, let it sit 10 to 15 minutes, scrub with a toothbrush, then rinse and dry. The phosphoric acid dissolves rust instantly. Just follow up with touch-up paint. You just did the first step of a $300 body shop repair for the price of a soda. Alright, here's secret number 12, the 3-zone interior method. So, stop jumping around when cleaning your interior. Japanese detailers actually divide the car into 3 zones: the trunk, rear seats, and the front cabin. Always clean from back to front. This way, you won't knock dust into areas you've already cleaned. Plus, it honestly cuts your cleaning time in half. Now, secret number 11. Baking soda carpet and odor fix. Got stale smells and stains in your carpet? Just sprinkle baking soda generously, brush it in, let it sit for about 30 minutes, or overnight if the odors are really bad, then vacuum it up. For stains, make a paste and repeat the process. Baking soda actually neutralizes odors at the chemical level instead of just masking them. Seriously, $1 box beats those expensive enzyme cleaners every time. Here's secret number 10, the 90-second daily wipe down. So, what's the secret behind those showroom fresh Japanese cars? Keep a couple of microfiber cloths in your glove box. Every time you park, just spend 90 seconds wiping down the dashboard, console, and steering wheel. This Kaizen habit stops grime from bonding and keeps your interior looking new with almost zero effort. And hey, quick pause. If you're enjoying these secrets, smash that like button. It really helps us bring you more hidden tips, just like this. Secret number 9. Leather cleaning and conditioning. Never just clean leather, always condition it. Wipe with leather cleaner, then apply conditioner every 3 months. This replaces lost oils and honestly prevents cracking before it starts. A $10 bottle can save you hundreds in restoration. Secret number 8. Dawn dish soap for wheels. Break dust and grime too tough for normal soap. Mix Dawn dish soap with warm water and scrub your wheels and tires. It cuts through brake dust like magic. Finish with a coat of wax on the wheels for easier future cleaning. Secret number 7. The lint roller trick. After vacuuming, run a sticky lint roller over seats, mats, and headliner. It grabs pet hair and fine particles that vacuums miss. Keep one in your console for quick daily touch-ups. Alright, here's secret number 6, UV protectant spray. Protect your dashboard, door panels, and exterior trim every 2 to 4 weeks with a good UV protectant. It helps prevent fading, cracking, and chalking. Plus, it actually makes those surfaces way easier to clean. Moving on to secret number 5. Ceramic coat your interior. You can apply a ceramic coating to your dashboard and interior plastics for about 20 to 40 bucks. Spills just bead up and wipe away instantly, and dust barely even sticks. And honestly, one application can last anywhere from 1 to 3 years. Alright, so here's secret number 4. Apply wax with bare hands. For a deeper shine, just warm some carnauba wax in your palms and, apply it directly with your hands. Your body heat actually helps it bond better to the paint, giving you those longer-lasting glass-like results. Okay, moving on to secret number 3, handheld steam cleaner. Seriously, just buy a cheap handheld steamer and use it on your vents, seat seams, cup holders and door jambs. It dissolves grime, kills bacteria, and cleans deep without any harsh chemicals. Secret number 2, light-colored microfiber towels only. Always use white or light gray microfiber towels because dark towels hide dirt and can cause swirl marks. Light towels let you see contamination instantly, so you never drag grit across your paint. And finally, secret number 1, always use warm water. It's honestly the simplest but most powerful secret. Use warm water for every step of washing. Warm water makes dirt and grease release way easier than cold water. Professional detailers never use cold water, and, well, now you know why.